Number 2. Pass to number 13. Round, 14 seconds to shoot. Now almost losing the ball control. 10 seconds to shoot. It's stolen by number 16. Number 16 on the right to the basket. Nasa pa. And it's a turnover. Balik ang ball. Another turnover ng JJ40. Wala pang nakakaputas. Out of pass na Eric Anthony. 2 points by Norway. 8-0. So, 10 seconds to shoot. To Sampaga on the baseline. Sampaga, pass the job. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Nairing. Napakabalis si Nairing ngayon na. Wala. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 15. Nice pass underneath to Nairing. Gusto pala nung may bantay pa. 10-0 pass. 14 seconds to shoot. Hey, number. Time out. Time out. Well, Ria, breakthrough. Number 2, good job, nice. 2 points. First blood, down Tuesday. Tap the people sa Blian. Shoot, no good. And rebound by another 14. By number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Corner 3, for number 16. Wala, dito mama, 5 seconds to shoot. 8-point lead by T-Fox. This is Fox. And our left jump. Pass number 2 for 3. Paloko. And rebound by number 5 ng Wade. Sampa na number 13. This is you. In the middle by Real. Passing number 1, shoot. Never. And rebound by number 16. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 16. After the put back by Nairing. Pasok lang yan. Wala. It's a better by Bokong. Out of pass to Nairing. Nairing pass to number 16. In the middle, raise up. Kaligay ito pala si Bobby. 14 seconds to shoot. Real in the middle. Another try, raise up, shoot again, given by number 5. To number 26, Nairing. Pare pa kami. Nakuha din sa minute, kasama pang foul. Wala sobrang lakas. Sembang Kofi. Nice move. The basket is good, my guy. Lihat pass the job. Attack. Raise up. Hindi tumama namin. Rebound by number 16. To number 26. Dari to number 15. Mabibilis pa tumato ha. Lihat. Attack na dito sa block on. Jumper. 2 points. Surfboard na yan. 30 seconds sa atin. First quarter. Oh, nice goal. 5 seconds. Lial. 13. Wala na tayong oras. Ang best point guard. Ay! Sa agila na to. Ayan ay sa turnover. Alios for 3. Airball. Bawi lang sa turnover. Ilagay po na. Karamol. Back to Maligad. Back to Karamol. And 14 seconds to shoot to Ace na naman. 10 seconds to shoot. Masyado malakas. Number 14. Wala. Karamol. Pasok ay Salomon in the baseline. 2 seconds to shoot. To Caramol. Dapat tayo number 14. Pinasa kay number 17. Ligan. Set up down to 5. And there's a result. Good leaders for number 17. Pasok yan. Iba yata free-throw mo ngayon na ito lang. Tinagong na.
Makati pa mo ah.
Uy! Tingnan na! Hanggang ba number 3? Solomon, 3 points. Alios. Pass. And there is a foul. Solomon, dapat kaya ni number 37 to number 24. Number 24, as he move. Pass in the middle to Manigat, and there is a wizard. Manigat, baseline jumper, in and out. Rebound by number 17. And simple. Caramol, kaya kaya titira to number 21. Stand by number 29. Pass to number 14. Number 14 to number 37. Number 27. Pick up pass to number 14. Jumper, basic, wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 24. Number 24. Pass in the middle to number 17. Shoot. 2 points by number 17. 4 minutes and 30. Pass to number 29. Tubalo sunod to number 8 and it's a traveling without passport. Balikan bola. In the corner, 14 seconds to shoot. To take Caramol. Pass to number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper by number 24. Lari by number 8. Out the pass. Balik ang bola sa Christian again. Pass to Jake Caramol. Jake Caramol. Pass to A. Solomon. A. Solomon. Almost. Manigat. 14 seconds to shoot. Passing to 10 seconds to shoot. And it's a turnover. Jake Caramol. Inis lang yan. Jake Caramol attack. Pick pass to number 17. Nice pass. Very short clap. And there's a whistle. Back to number 24. Baseline number. Magic shot pa. Another 14. Pero nakuha ni number 8. All around with number 47. It's a layup by Warner. Go to the back. John Lloyd Coffee. 14 seconds to shoot. Caramol, attack, and closer. Hindi kumamadali. Rebound by number 8. Pinasakal Manigat. Kumalik ang bola sa piso. 40. Manigat. Itinutun na kay-score yan. Pumasok na nga ang tira ni Manigat. Pumasok ako nga.
Down sa pag na.
Wala. Ganda ng 14. Pass to Barrios. Makayoko siya idol. Pass to Saban. Caramol. Pass to Jake. Jake! Makakasuta kaya! What amazing shot by number 3. Wala pa rin. Napunta kayo. O wala tayo shot na. 20 seconds. Diba talaga pagka walang buhok, walang masabunutan.
Grabe, Jake.
41, jumper, no good. So Umaya for 3, 5, Umaya.